It's snowing, or it snowed. So I got up this morning about 5:30 and come outside to see this. Snow in Texas. Yep, this is snow. Nice fluffy snow. Make a snowball. Should make a snowman. But yeah, you don't normally see this in Texas. Oh man, I hope the heater stayed on in the greenhouse. Let's check that out. Oh yeah, it's only about I don't know, probably 60, 65 in here. So everything in here is fine. Yep, everything's got a little bit of snow on it. There's our tria plant. That won't make it. It's a tropical plant, but it'll grow back. Should have plugged in my truck. It's a diesel. Insulation in the house is good because the snow on the roof hasn't melted. Pond's still going.
My honey. Oh, that's so cool. Make a snowman.
I mean, it's a nice packable snow.
Let's see. Wow. Oh, wow.
It's funny, we're
I'm
so
so
fascinated
excited.
with this in Texas, and
It's too
the rest of the country, if they ever see this video, they're gonna be like, "What is wrong with these people?"